No, what's good, man? It's your boy, Baby A. Here with my brother, Y0UNG HAZE.
Y0UNG HAZE.
And his side, and Mikhail.
My bitch.
His hoe. Y'all know, man, this chicken night part 2.
Got the hot sauce.
Got that Louisiana hot sauce. Uh-oh. Is it from Kentucky? Nah, man, we mess with that Texas. Just pretend it's like Texas fried chicken. I know, man. We just chilling. Mikhail, you gonna finish one piece? Hey, we already ate like 29 pieces. What? Yeah, I know. Got the Domino's. Got that good stuff. Wait, why is 2 different types in there? I don't even know though, man. They don't even fit. Y'all know, Josh broke the box when he fell on it. Oh, I wish I was Superman looking. Uh-oh, is that Spider-Man? Spider-Man in there? Man, that's a small backpack. For a small girl. 4-foot Miller. What? Would you like to do that again? Boom!
Oh, boo.
Get a move. It's a music video. Music hot sauce video. Oh, you drinking? Didn't we tell you can't have nothing to drink? We told you you get 1 piece of chicken and nothing to drink all day, all night. That's your meal of the day. No drink. What if I want to say? Nothing funny. Oh, is that a speaker? I want to kick your ass. Josh, we famous? Not today. Not today. Yeah. Because we got her with us, so we can't be famous. Because what? Because we got you with us, so we can't be famous. Like all with us.
Oh, watch out for the hot sauce.
Hot sauce. I know, man. Baby A and Y0UNG HAZE in the building. Y'all know, man. YouTube.com/BabyAZOfficial. MySpace.com/BabyAofficial. .com/BabyAofficial. Josh, you want to tell him what's up? Nah, you don't want to tell y'all stuff right now. He got a mouthful of chicken. Hey. You want to tell him what's up? No. You don't. They know anyway. We don't like you. No talking to you. No talking. I'm going to check my phone. Okay? Ooh, it's a light.
See him on different cameras.
For real. Oh, he just got sneezed. Y'all know I can bootleg this. You know that's how bootleg. Shut. Ooh. Do it again. That's right. Alright, y'all know we about to go to the studio. Just ate. We got changed up lights up here, y'all know. We trying to, we just chilling right now.
That mixer.
Alright, man, that's the mixer right there.
Look, this where all the hits go down.
This where the hits at, man. Now y'all see this booth? Uh-oh. Is this the microphone? Uh-oh. Man, y'all know we ballin'. Ballin'. Alright.
Keep it fresh.
Oh, dang. That is a great mixer right there. Alright, let me...
Visit the MySpace, you know what I'm saying? MySpace.com/Y0UNG HAZE101. Also, visit the new YouTube page, YouTube.com/Y0UNG HAZE101 as well. We're going to be holding it down for y'all, you know what I mean? There go Baby A right there.
Right, let me take a freestyle. I can't dance, no friend.
Anyways.
Y'all ain't getting it. We gonna make a freestyle video for y'all later. Y'all ain't getting one right now.
Yeah, we gonna hit y'all up with a freestyle.
I'm a little bit full. I don't feel like freestyling.
Chicken got up in the nigga system. We had to get black for a second. We had to get black and put some chicken off in our system. You know what I mean? But yeah, gonna hit y'all back up later on in the weight room.
I know, man. We got stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna hit y'all back up.
100.
100.